My name's Andrew Garrad. I'm the president of GL Garrad Hassan. The Dallas show has been a very important show for us because it's given us the opportunity to launch the new company, GL Garrad Hassan. And although the name says GL Garrad Hassan and therefore indicates it's a merger of GL, which is the premier certification agency working in the wind business, with Garrad Hassan, which was the premier consulting business in the industry, it actually is a lot more than just those two. It's actually the merger of 5 different companies. So GL, the certification agency and consulting business, Garrad Hassan, the consulting business, also Helimax, based in Canada and previously one of our major competitors, Windtest, which is a group of some 90 people based in northern Germany, specializing in turbine measurement, and finally a small part of GL Noble Denton, which is an offshore consulting company of considerable size. We were able to launch, or perhaps relaunch, the company here in Dallas to our major market. So for us, we have the 2 leading markets are China for our turbine development activity and SCADA business, and also the United States, which I think is the most important market for almost everybody. The idea of the merger was to bring together 2 or more companies who share the common values of independence and rigor. We in the old GH have known GL for a very long time. We've worked together for some 20-25 years, and we do share those common values, as do the other constituent companies. We now have about 700 people working exclusively on renewables, probably 95% on wind, but also we have a growing practice in wave and tidal, and also particularly in solar. We have offices in 22 countries, 34 offices in 22 countries, and we are opening up some further offices. Last week we opened up an office in Egypt, where there's a new market, and in Chile, where there's a lot of activity. Our aim is to provide a consulting business, consulting service, which matches the aspirations of this new utility scale business. So I've been in the business for 30 years. I've seen it growing from smocks and sandals backyard business to what is now a business dominated by utilities with the same suppliers that we see in the conventional power business. Just around the corner from this stand here, you'll see Alstom, you'll see Samsung, just over there, GE and Siemens. So this is no longer alternative energy. This is one of the alternatives, just like coal, nuclear and hydro. We've seen that development taking place, and we felt that there needed to be a consulting company which could match the aspirations of our customers, the developers, the banks, and the turbine manufacturers. And we hope that we are now delivering that, because we have a huge geographical breadth, but we also have technical depth. We have people working on turbine design, we have people working on certification, we have people working on all aspects of wind farm development and finance. We also, as I mentioned slightly earlier on, have a growing practice in the other renewables. And we see our place very much as a renewable energy consultancy, not just as a wind energy consultancy, although wind will remain our most important product for the moment. If you'd like to find out some more about the company, please visit our website www.gl-garradhassan.com.